Hello, Story. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I will show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Story Feldkamp Home Remodeling. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy tap plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you see skills out to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I have to go over is your content. So in order for your business or any business on Google to be optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since your site has been taken down by your last marketer, I'll be going over one of your competitors, Total Home KC. Now, in comparison with competitors, they have about 1,000 words throughout their homepage, and this is still very beatable. But this shows how rich keyword content is your powerhouse authority for Google. And going a little bit more into the depths of keywords, I'm going to be showing you yours and his, or his actually. So this is Total Home KC, and this is Ahrefs site. So Ahrefs, I use this tool, and it's good for checking out keywords, link juice, those types of things if you're into it. But going more deeper into keywords, you see you have a niche, and then a city. And then you have city and niche. Now these are the type of keywords you want to go for. Those are like the main client buying intent keywords. Sorry, I can't get my words out today. Anyways, volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, position. Now these all reside with the keyword. So volume is the amount of traffic this keyword is bringing into Google each month. KD is how hard it is to rank on Google, and cost per click deals with AdWords. So we don't have to worry about that unless you want to get on a call and talk more about that. Traffic is the amount of people that is derived from the volume based on your position and keyword. So if you're in the first position with the keyword, you get the most traffic out of the bunch. If you're in the 6th, you get less than the first place we get out of this bunch of volume. So now you know a little bit about what goes into keyword. Let's go to the next optimization section, and this is the second most important thing I have to talk about. We call this the Google Map Pack for Maps. So from here, doing a search, I'm going to do a home remodeling in Kansas City. You can see that every tab has a business, right? This is where you find your citations, right? Name, address, phone number, called NAPs. So easiest way to get ranked in maps, of course, is getting your ratings up. 5-star ratings will definitely boost your authority with Google. But behind scenes, let's go to this little tool called WhiteSpark. Inside the tool, there's a local citation finder. So I did a search for the first person in the map pack, and he has about 63 citations. So if you want to get double or triple the amount of citations, you'll definitely surpass him. Now, to answer your question how you get them, these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, C Star, so on, LinkedIn, Facebook. And yeah, you get the gist. So now to know a little bit about what goes into citation, the last thing I talk about is another important aspect of Google. We call this backlinks or link juice. So going back to Google, doing a search for home remodeling in Kansas City, right? Scroll down and you see these are all organic listings after the map pack, of course. So Total Home KC is number 1. Number 2 would be Kansas City Remodel and Redesign KC. I'm skipping over all the these types of businesses, Home Advisory, Yelp, because those aren't service-based businesses. Now, we can go over to your backlinks. Before I do that, this is where you want to be, right? And to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. But there's a little more to just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if you were to have relative sites, say myremodelingpro.com linking back to you on his site, then you'd be getting a lot more traffic than if like a pizza were linking back at you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. At least I don't think you do. But this tool Aerothreat is good for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So let's go check out Total Home KC. He has about 755 backlinks. So once you get your web page up and running, this is a free way to start getting some ranking that you can do personally inside of your website. To do that, you find out where the SEO is coming, or where the backlink is coming from, right? And then you link a keyword to whatever you want to link to back to your site. And that's how you get a backlink keyword into your site, ranking your page for that keyword. Easy, right? All right. If you have any questions, of course, ask me after this video. And here you can see every single one and take them for yourself. Now that's how you get on the first page of Google. So the three things I talked about with you is your content. Once you get your website built, you want at least 1,500 words to start your homepage. Any any service page or location page, you want at least 700 to 1,000. More words is more money, but at least 700 to 1,000, so you start optimizing it for Google and start linking those keywords back to those location pages and service pages. Sorry. You want at least 200, 300 backlinks, right? Citations. And to get those, entering your NAP's name, address, and phone number into directories such as such. So the last thing we talked about was your link juice. So once you get your website up and you get the pages you want built out, you start linking keywords back to that homepage. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. And I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. I look forward to hearing from your story. My number is 816-654-5822. Please come with any questions that you may have. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.